Workplaces come in all shapes and sizes and are found all over the world. From large factories to small retail environments, they all have one thing in common. People work in them and visit as customers or members of the public. People can become injured or unwell if they're expected to work in environments in which their safety and well-being isn't prioritized. This can have painful or even fatal consequences for individuals. Organizations that don't take the health and safety of their employees seriously are likely to experience greater absences and lower retention. It could also lead them to end up on the wrong side of the law. If you oversee or work with employees in any way, you need to understand how they could be harmed in your particular workplace and what steps you need to take to prevent it. Everyone benefits when health and safety in the workplace is taken seriously. Let's find out how you can contribute to a workplace where everyone's safety is a priority.